But like testing your systems against what they can and can't do. For instance, you know, for a long time I think a lot of people have very poor head construction methods, like the Asaro head or the Loomis head provide only so much before, because I think what really happens with the Loomis head is people start with the Loomis head and then they do this and then they just draw a face on top of it that has no correlation or has vague correlations to it. But quite honestly, I think that ends up coming down, I feel that it's really important that you have systems that are fault-free, that don't require luck. That's why circles are not very good and not really ever going to be good for anyone, because they're impossible to draw perfectly. You can't pull out, you can pull out you could pull out a stencil, but let's be honest here. No, cubes are more, you know, straight angles are more easy to measure and get right every time. And so, you know, let's say you have a system to draw faces, and then you're like, start testing it. Like, basically, integrity of systems is ensuring that your methods are worth their snuff by throwing extreme cases at it. If your way of drawing arms can only draw arms from the front and the side, then maybe you need to reinvestigate how to draw arms. If shoulders only work, you know, in certain positions, then there's a need to reinvestigate your method of drawing shoulders, and so forth and so forth. So this wasn't any specific advice. It was just an out loud thought of like, try to look at what methods you use from time to time and make sure that they're able to be, stress test them. Once again, your ego is fragile no matter how hard you think you are. So it's important that you at least be somewhat gentle on yourself and not always be like, you know, this is the worst, I'm the worst, etc., etc. But I think definitely it's easy to become complacent with your methods. You know, it's funny, I like this marker, and this is just a dollar store marker, but I like how it comes out. It's a puce marker.